We all see people flaunt their latest gadgets, expensive bags, or shoes on social media from time to time, but do you know that some of these products are fake? In today's video, we will go through 4 ways to tell if a product is fake, so stick by as we run through these important factors. Make sure you watch this video till the end to avoid getting scammed when buying trendy products. Before we get into details, make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notifications to get updates on new videos. Number 1. Spelling errors. One of the easiest ways to know fake products is from the spellings imprinted on the products. I have seen people wear shoes with funny names like Nikas instead of Nike, Adidas or Abibas instead of Adidas, while using the logo of the main brands. It is important to check out the name of a brand when buying a trendy or expensive product. It'll help to avoid stories that touch. Number 2. Unreal discounts. Don't play the try your luck game when it comes to expensive or trendy products or any product at all. If the vendor is offering an unrealistic discount, then you should know that you're about to buy a fake product or get scammed for real. A quote says, "If it's too good to be true, then it is not good at all." This is one thing that you should put to heart when purchasing any product. Don't fall for mouth-watering discounts. Number 3. Check if the packaging matches the product inside. In case you've fallen victim to getting one of these fake products, there's still a way to tell. Most fake products always have a picture of the original product on the package, but the fake product inside, so always try to cross-check the image displayed on the package and the product you have in the package. You can also check the body of the package for anything suspicious and return the product quickly if you find any. Number 4. Compare a suspected counterfeit to the original product. Lastly, one of the best ways to confirm if a product is fake is to compare the suspected fake product to the original one. You can always go on the internet, visit the website of the brand, and go through the pictures to see if you'll spot any difference in the product you have. Other ways to spot or know a fake product includes checking the site you want to buy from and checking the label of the product and the label on the package. Quickly return the product if you suspect any foul play. If you find yourself in a situation that doesn't allow a refund, learn from your mistakes and don't make them again. If you have a suggestion or any other concerns about some of the ways to spot a fake product listed in this video, please tell us in the comments section.